Servus and welcome! I'm René, a senior consultant at Tenfold, and in this video we will cover adding file servers or shares to Tenfold. Before proceeding, make sure you watched our file server preparation video. To add shares to Tenfold, navigate to Settings, Active Directory Domains, and edit your active domain. Next, click on File Servers. In this screen, you should start by adding your organizational unit. It's mandatory that this OU only contains Active Directory security groups, which are exclusively used for file server access. No organization groups like for departments or software, license or other purposes like this, because its content will be flagged as internal and therefore can't be modified like other AD groups. We'll take this OU. Often a new OU is created for this purpose, which includes all file server related Active Directory groups. But this OU can be overridden in each share that we add. On the right side, you can add a default owner or a default full access user based on these rule sets. After that, we click on Add and add our first share. In this case, we will start by adding our project share. I'll copy the path, set an agent. You can restrict the scan depth or edit depth if you need. Via the sort number, you can change the order for your shares. If Tenfold sets permissions, you can decide if you want to execute the ACL changes immediately or in the background. Depending on what you decided in the preparation, you might need to set a server and/or share name. If you create new directories via Tenfold, you can choose to create specific file server groups while creating the directory. In the next tab, Self-Service, you can decide what directories should be shown in self-service up to a specific level, all of them, or if you want to choose manually in the file server screen. After that, hit Apply, Save, navigate to Settings, Jobs, Manage, and activate and execute the share sync. We will take a look how to navigate the file server side of Tenfold in another video.